Welcome to CTM DIY, where we help you transform your bathroom into a space that's truly yours. With our easy-to-follow steps and the right tools and fittings, DIY can be simple and satisfying. So come along and let us guide you as you create a bathroom that's both stylish and functional. Today we'll be putting together a floating bathroom cabinet. You will need a tape measure, pen or marker, a spirit level, a drill, a concrete wall drill bit, and a star screwdriver. To install a floating cabinet in your bathroom, first, the correct holes must be drilled. Measure a height of 700 mm from the floor and mark where your cabinet will be mounted. Take your mounting brackets and place them on the wall to mark your exact drill points. Be sure to check that there are no pipes near where you're going to drill. After drilling your holes, align the wall bracket so that the corner cutout is facing the inside of where your cabinet will be mounted. Screw your mounting brackets into place on the wall. Ensure that the distance between the two mounting points are correct. Loosen the mounts on the back of the cabinet with a screwdriver. Drop the cabinet into place on the brackets. Use a screwdriver to fasten the cabinet to the wall. Take the basin and drop it into place on the top of the cabinet.